Bluefors is the leading manufacturer and supplier of ultra-low temperature, cryogen-free dilution refrigerators. This year, Bluefors is 15 years. We've delivered over 1,000 systems, 100 million euros of revenue. We have about 400 employees globally. We're close to our customers with headquarters in Helsinki, Finland, with local offices in Germany and New York, and global representatives in India, China, Taiwan, and Japan.
We are here to enable quantum technology breakthrough, to help scientists and companies go further and accelerate their innovations. We provide services to let customers focus on their own core competence doing measurements and experiments. As systems installed, it's not the end of our relationship. Rather, it's just beginning. System life starts at the installation. With our services, Bluefors support customers through the lifetime of the system. It's our responsibility to keep Bluefors system running as long as possible, make it perform optimally, and finally deliver the highest possible uptime for our customers.
This year, we're launching Total System Care with two different flexible services. We have the core package focusing on periodic maintenance, and we have the extended package with on-call services and capability for unplanned customer site visits with 3 business days response. During the annual visits, we do health checks, periodic maintenance, and do operational training. We also collect data and analyze the system performance in order to avoid any kind of failure. We want to ensure that the users have every cool second needed available for their experiments, and that the Bluefors system performs at the highest possible performance level. The Total System Care is designed to spare your time on maintaining the system.
We launched Bluefors Lab Service. It's located in Delft, Netherlands. It provides easy, convenient, secure access for early-stage R&D companies that they don't need to invest their own measurement infra. With the Bluefors Lab, we want to support quantum ecosystem by enabling companies to succeed with their R&D and join in contributing to the development. Service gives companies in the early phase of R&D access to a millikelvin measurement system. The lab can be used to test quantum hardware, software, or other applications. Experiments done in the lab are supported by Bluefors to ensure their success. Bluefors helps with the planning of the experiments, providing consultation through multiple series of experiments and operating the cryogenic measurement system.
We're offering additional services, new upgrades, and new options. For example, guaranteed resolution time for known issues and routine maintenance, time and material for on-demand services, leasing contracts with basic maintenance, scientific advisory, remote desktop services with performance center operating 24/7. Customer satisfaction is the essence of our success. We offer high-quality products and services and make every effort to guarantee high-quality customer experience, even in the rapidly developing market.